All right, you're looking at a custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. This one here is solid 925 sterling silver with the diamond cuts, and the diamond dust finish. Now, these are actually single caps, guys. You can see by the definition in between each tooth, you see that line actually cut all the way through. Those are single caps, which gives it the nice permanent style look. You see how defined each tooth is. You can't get any more definition. I don't care how deep cut you get your grills. You're never gonna get this type of definition, which is a single caps, individual slugs. Check that out, guys. You could do the top, you could do the bottom, you could do a set. That's up to you. Check us out on our website, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.